Hi everyone. Today's poem is about true friends. It's dedicated to each and every true friend that I've had in my life. They say true friends are a part of your journey. Others find you at your destination. So watch this poem and share it with each and every true friend that you've had, who's been a part of your journey, who's made your journey worthwhile. When the mountain is formed and its peak stands high, all want to climb it, no matter where it does lie. But when the earth is shaking, the tremors are so bare, the mountain far from being formed, that's when a real friend will dare. So cheers to friendship, cheers to true friends. They do make the journey worthwhile. I'll come back with another video very soon. I'd love for you to share my videos with your friends, family, your brothers and sisters. They might connect with my videos as well. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to soak yourself in poetry.